Welcome to Money and Movie Talks, your go-to channel for smart investment insights. If your goal is long-term growth, we've got just the thing for you. Today, we're delving into the world of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, and pointing out the top 3 options in the Indian stock market that could really make a difference in your portfolio. First off, what exactly is an ETF? Imagine a basket that holds a mix of stocks, bonds, or commodities, all traded on stock exchanges. ETFs are crafted to mirror the performance of specific indices, sectors, or asset classes, providing a seamless pathway to diversify your investments. Let's dive into the perks of ETFs. They offer impressive diversification, lower costs with their minimal expense ratios, and high liquidity, allowing you to trade throughout the day. Not to mention, ETFs are transparent and generally more tax efficient than mutual funds. But remember, like any investment, ETFs come with their own set of challenges. Trading costs, market risk, and the potential for tracking errors are factors to keep in mind. Some ETFs can be complex, and you might not have control over individual assets, leading to unpredictable dividends. Now onto the top 3 ETFs making waves in the Indian market. First, there's the SBI ETF banking sector, which targets promising banks and offers a focused bet on the banking industry. Next, the ICICI Prudential Bharat 22 ETF includes a fine mix of public sector enterprises across various sectors, providing balanced exposure. Lastly, the UTI Nifty Next 50 ETF captures companies poised just after the top 50, offering a taste of the market leaders of tomorrow. If you found this video insightful, like it, share it, and subscribe to Money and Movie Talks for more empowering investment content. Got thoughts on ETFs? Share them in the comments. Until next time, happy investing.